First up, we have an easy way to cut bangs. These will be curtain bangs, which is what I have right now, just a really long version. To mirror her, we need to make a triangle section. And I cut mine pretty similar, but her way does look easier. So we have our triangle, then we cut it down the middle, and then these cross, cutting this at a diagonal. And she is point cutting hers, so we're gonna do that as well. They'll make a short to long, and she did not say to do this, but I'm gonna take a little piece over here as a guide to make them even. This will be my shortest point following a diagonal going to long. So we need to connect the lines, and it will be short to long when you take it down. Do they look even? Good enough. I'm just gonna add in this little tail here. That actually is easier than the way I cut them. To style curtain bangs, I like to use a round brush, go like this, blow dry, and take one of these rollers. These are from the Dollar Tree. It's a large one, and wrap it to let it cool down. But this hack is using a flat iron to basically do the same thing. So just like we cut our hair, we're gonna over direct it this way. Step one, turn the flat iron on. She's taking it and kind of hugging her face and bending it a little. So let's see if it looks as good as hers compared to this way. I need to cut layers in here so it's not. Let me give it one more go. I'm about to have no bangs if I keep using this flat iron. Oh look, that does look better. What do you think? We need to Tresemme this down. Looks like Shania Twain. That is pretty cool, but I think I'm gonna stick to the blow dryer. Now we have an easy claw clip hack for short, fine hair. Hair in a ponytail. Wait, she's going too fast. Ponytail, and then we make a bun. Let me move you so you can see. I don't know what we do with this tail. Here, and then we do vertical. All I have with me is this hairdressing clip. And if you have a tail, I guess just tuck it in. Kind of looks like a Wetzel pretzel from the side. You ever been there? But that is pretty cool. It would look better if I had an actual claw clip. We'd have to smooth all this out. You can take a wire rat tail comb and go under the hair. It'll just smooth it out. This also works really well to use beside braids. And really just anytime you pull hair back to smooth out those lines. You can even lift it up a little bit. We know that we can use eyeshadow as hair chalk, but it really only shows up best if you have super blonde hair. But now we can hair chalk dark hair. This is so cool. I hope it works. She's taking concealer. This is contour stick. That's all they had at the Dollar Tree. I don't actually wear concealer. Some hair chalks do work on darker hair. What's that one, that Haley one? Wish we had a darker palette. This is all they had at the Dollar Tree. I don't wear eyeshadow either. Oh, it's working. It's working. So this just gives it a base to stick onto. It does work. We need a better eyeshadow palette. I went back to the Dollar Tree and got a darker eyeshadow or more pigmented eyeshadow to see if it would work, and it actually works a lot better. So you just need a very pigmented eyeshadow. Now we have a bottle cleaning hack for our hair color bottles. These aren't necessarily hard to clean. So this is gonna make something that was already kind of easy, easier, if that makes sense. This is table salt. Add some water and give it a shake. Oh, actually that does work really well. It doesn't ever come off that easy. I will be using that. This is a heatless curl hack, upside down braids. I tried this last night. I did one side, spraying it with just a little bit of water because it looked like she did none. I already know using nothing is not gonna work. I have very fine hair. So this side had just a little bit of water, a little fine mist. And this side had a lot of water. All you do is comb everything towards your face, like this, and you just do a basic 3-strand braid. So the idea is you have straighter roots with a wavy end. Here's what it looked like. It's not my favorite. I think if I would have put more effort into it, if we're being honest, I was kind of rushing. Also, when I woke up, it was still wet, even the side that I didn't really spray down much. So I think next time I try this, it needs to be just a light mist of water, and I need to take my time. So that way I won't have all these crazy looking ends. Not anything I would do before, like if you have a first date, I would not do that at all. We need to practice this. We need to give this at least 3 tries. This guy is gonna show us how to have a thicker ponytail. Can you see my ponytail from the side? Looks like a little rat tail. So we take a sliver of hair off the top of the ponytail, do one of these, lift it over, and ta-da! Did that work? Now I have a slightly bigger rat tail. Looks like one of those sewer rats. Hairspray to remove stains. I actually have used this hack before and I use it all the time. The main ingredient in hairspray is alcohol, and alcohol can help dissolve dye pigments. So as soon as you notice you get color in your shirt, your pants, whatever it may be, you need to spray it with hairspray immediately. You don't want to wait. I don't even really know if it would work that well if you waited. You can use hand sanitizer also, since it has a high alcohol content. It also works really well if you're wearing black or any color and you get lightener or bleach on it. Hose her down with Tresemme. It doesn't have to be Tresemme. Tresemme just is my favorite hairspray. This one, take a picture of it. It'll stop the bleach from lifting so you can save your clothes. Also, another good hack, I couldn't find a video for this. Pretend this is Sweet and Low, but if your scalp is burning from lightener, you can sprinkle Sweet and Low, the one with the pink packet, and it will stop the burning. I've been doing this for over 15 years and never really understood why, and now I do, because it is the cream of tartar, creates an acidic buffer, which can slightly neutralize the alkaline ammonia. Ammonia. Could you tell I was reading that? But it does work. When I was looking up why it works, a lot of people say it doesn't work, there's no way, and then a lot of people saying it does.